In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unused third-party apps in Shopify. Managing apps in your Shopify store can streamline your processes and help maintain optimal performance. So, let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow to remove those apps you no longer use, ensuring your store runs efficiently and stays clutter-free. First off, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main management area where you control every aspect of your online store. Once you're here, look towards the bottom of the left-hand sidebar for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will open a new set of options for you to browse through. This section is crucial, as it houses various settings that govern your store's operations and functionalities. From the Settings menu, you'll then want to select Apps and Sales Channels. This area is your go-to place for managing all the third-party apps that integrate with your Shopify store. Once you click here, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all the apps currently installed on your store. Each of these apps contributes to different functionalities or enhancements for your store's operations, so it's important to regularly review them. Now, take a moment to scroll through this list. You're looking for apps that you no longer use or need. Maybe you tested an app and decided it wasn't for you. Or perhaps you've changed your store's strategy and some of these apps have become outdated or irrelevant. Either way, identifying these apps is a key step in keeping your store's backend neat and tidy. Once you've pinpointed an app that you've decided you don't want any longer, look for the three-dot icon next to it. This small icon is your gateway to managing each app's details and settings. Clicking on these three dots will present you with a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, you simply need to select Uninstall. When you opt to uninstall, Shopify will guide you through a short process to confirm your choice. Removing an app can have impacts, such as losing any data associated with it, so make sure you're ready to proceed. The system might also ask for feedback on why you're removing the app, but completing this is optional. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled an app from your Shopify store. Taking the time to clean up your app list not only keeps everything organized, but can also improve your store's performance, ensuring you utilize only the tools and integrations that truly bring value to your business. Remember, a leaner app inventory can lead to fewer technical issues and a smoother experience for your customers, so it's worth revisiting this procedure periodically. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy selling!